Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an element has encountered an unrecoverable error message. First, a simple restart of your computer can often clear up many temporary software issues, so try that first. Next, ensure your operating system and all relevant applications are fully updated. Outdated software can sometimes cause these kinds of errors. Also, confirm your internet connection is stable, as network problems can sometimes trigger unexpected application failures. These initial steps are quick and frequently effective. If the error persists, let's dive into some deeper checks. It's crucial to run a comprehensive scan with your antivirus software to rule out any malicious software causing the problem. Malware can severely disrupt system stability. Additionally, clearing out temporary files and your browser's cache can free up valuable system resources and prevent conflicts. Finally, consider running a system file checker scan. This tool can automatically find and repair corrupted Windows files that might be contributing to the unrecoverable error. For more persistent issues, we need to consider advanced troubleshooting. If the error consistently appears with a single application, a clean reinstallation of that program is often the best solution. Make sure to completely uninstall it before reinstalling. Also, outdated or corrupted graphics card drivers are a common culprit for unrecoverable errors, so update them to the newest version. Lastly, use your operating system's built-in tools to check your hard drive for any errors, as disk issues can lead to system instability. To prevent these unrecoverable errors from happening again, proactive maintenance is key. Always back up your important data regularly. This is your best defense against any system failure. Also, practice good system hygiene by routinely cleaning up unnecessary files and uninstalling unused programs. This keeps your computer running smoothly. Before you go, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, there's a fantastic resource mentioned in the description below, along with other deals. Check it out for a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.